Bengihleli nomunye ubaba izolo and we were talking nje, having a random and a casual conversation about teams that we support. And ubafo ibhakabhaka and mina ngempofana. He asked me ukuthi bafo, what do you love about Kaizer Chiefs? What is the reason that you see fit for you to say ukuthi I am a Kaizer Chiefs supporter because of this? And ngamtshela ngathi bafo, being a Kaizer Chiefs fan, it simply means one thing. The club teaches you things like how to build character, how to be strong, how to be patient. It teaches you about being content about what you have, appreciating what you have. But it's a story for another day. If I could ask you, as you are watching, what do you love about Kaizer Chiefs? What can you say? Sanibonani, football lovers. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle, niyaphila. Danko. Today we're going to be discussing about Uhlodi Maccabi Lilebo. We know ukuthi he's one of the best players in Turin because stats don't lie. And we're going to discuss also about Aaron McCarthy, a player that I believe ukuthi he raised up his hand this season. But ngaphambi ukuthi siye kude, cela ungisize ngokulike nokusubscribe to the channel if awukaka subscribe. Danko. Asivele sihlale udabeni. Last week I made a video whereby ukuthi I've said ukuthi uRolani Mokoena is forcing Chiefs to make decisions. And I was talking about Lilebo ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs are trying by all means to make him sign a renewed contract which will have perks which will be improved from what he was getting, especially with salary packages. But I've just read from Isokabit, it's saying ukuthi Uhlodi Lilebo is not in talks as of yet with the Kaizer Chiefs concerning matters of contract, because you know ukuthi next season masithi June yaphela contract. But so far nothing is being discussed. Simply means ukuthi he's there weighing his options and also trying by all means ukuthi to think it through before making a decision. Akafuni ukwenza ama decisions that are irrational. So here what I think ukuthi might happen is that Kaizer Chiefs will not lose Lilebo, despite having offers from other clubs whereby they might offer him what is better than what he's getting at Chiefs. But remember, when he arrived at Chiefs, his salary wasn't that much as it was said by Kickoff Online. He was getting this amount, but after 6 months, the contract improved because they liked his impact at the club. And right now, we know ukuthi i-contract yakhe, it was written ukuthi makufika unyaka, mawuphela unyaka, especially annually, he does get the salary mabayihlanganisa iyafika u-6 figures. Simply means ukuthi a Chiefs salary package, they are making sure ukuthi players get salaries that are enough for them. And if there's an opportunity for them to increase it, they might do that. So this is what I believe the Kaizer Chiefs might do. Regardless, they might lose him to other clubs that might offer him something that is bigger than what he's getting at Chiefs. But Kaizer Chiefs, I believe here, the reason why they were so rushing to make him sign a contract extension and improve his contract in terms of perks and salaries packages. So here what is going to be done by Chiefs, what I believe they might give him an improved contract to make him not to leave, because he has proven he is an impact player and he is a player that they can rely on, because his value is seen at Chiefs. He's scoring, he's assisting, and he's consistent. That's what you get from Mulili. When he arrived last season, he scored 6 goals. This season, he managed to score 8 goals. And assisted, I think, 3 goals. Yeah, 3 goals. So that simply means ukuthi for a player of his caliber, and amagalelo akhe bewabonakala makazofika eNatural ukuthi no, ipala kalibheki, because we see ukuthi this season he's the most player that have registered shots on target, but he's not there amongst the top goal scorers. That's a concern about him. Ukuthi kusho ukuthi uyakhahlela kona ukukhahlela net amagoli anqabile. He's scoring those important goals, but the other ones ukuthi naye abele esicongweni, just like abo Leon, abo Reyners, abo Mufokeng, but he's not there as the top 3 goal scorers. But one thing about him, Ulilipo, we all know him, ukuthi at times how he plays, it is frustrating because he might deliver this match, the next match he doesn't do as he did on the previous one, because you'd expect him with okay, he'll take this momentum to the next match, but he drops a stink. But one thing about him is that the coaches are ever so reliant on him because they know what he's capable of, and the Kaizer Chiefs might not want to lose a player that is like that. So wena ngokubona kwakho, if there was an offer that was appealing to him, do you think ukuthi it is better for him to leave, or Kaizer Chiefs must do the right thing? Because you know very well ukuthi as a footballer, football is not a hobby, it's a career, and in a career you want to make money. So into efana nabo loyalty ayispan, because even the teams are not loyal to you, might get an injury and then it's over. Yabo. So when we bona kanjani, because uRulane made it clear ukuthi uzishayile ngaye, because he's that profile of a winger or a player you need in a team, especially if you are going to compete with CAF Champions League, CAF Confederation, all these big tournaments, because you need that kind of a profile in a player. Which he scores, he assists. Yabo. When we bona kanjani. And then let's move to Aiden McCarthy. As Aiden McCarthy uvela this season as he was given an opportunity, we can just say ukuthi the injury of Urushin Dudley was a blessing in disguise for him, McCarthy. Why am I saying this? It is because McCarthy wa promoter same nabo Shabalala, nabo Villarreal, but he only got his breakthrough this season. Dala waba ku first team McCarthy, but he never got an opportunity to play. And mawuthi uyabheka ukuthi kuma seasons before, there were players like uKunika bekaloka khona, uMsimango beyaleka khona, kwathenga uRoadblock akhona yena uAiden McCarthy, kwathenga yena uDudley ekhona uMcCarthy, but he never got that opportunity to play. So I'd say ukuthi it was a way of preparing him to be ready, which when he gets his opportunity, he grabs it with both hands. Because this season, you wouldn't tell that Guti it's his first season in the top flight football. The way he's playing, the way he's consistent. And for the fact that he's not showing any signs of Guti, he's scared. No. He goes all in, winning duels, aerial and on the ground. And one thing that stands out the most in his game is how cool, calm and composed he is on the ball. He's a ball player. And I believe Guti, his only sin now is that he's playing for Kaizer Chiefs. If it wasn't that, that's the honest truth. Because he's that good. And there are rumors that Kaizer Chiefs might lose Aiden McCarthy. And I also believe with hey, Velu Kamba ngahamba, because he's that kind of a player that European teams want to have in their team. And the Kaizer Chiefs also, now, I see they do appreciate having him because he helped them a lot bebayosizwa ubani if it wasn't for uMakhadi, if bengekho ku standby. So his patience and watch, it made him to be the player that we see. Okay, because bombona even ku DDC, bengeke kusho ukuthi uMakhadi lona esimbona manje, because ku DDC uzubona ukuthi oh, this is the reason why angadlali ku first team, but he needed to push himself. And now that sike sezwa ukuthi bamsayinise 2-year contract, it simply means ukuthi they are putting a price tag on it. Because the Kaizer Chiefs, obvious, they might be willing to sell him for a good price. And people would be saying, with Kaizer Chiefs, they are not ambitious. We have a Rolls Royce of a defender. Yet, if you thing is, well, obviously, kusho ukuthi kuzosala uDudley and uMiguel Msimango, ukunika also uThabo Mloisana, njoba vele kushiwo ukuthi uyisanile pre-contract, bana 5 center backs. But then it was going to be a healthy competition for uDudley. I was willing to see kulaba bayi-2 what is giving them, because you can tell they were going to challenge each other, and it's unfortunate that you cannot play them together, because in a center back pairing there must be a calm head and an aggressive play. That's why umbona mabambeke no Miguel is doing the dirty work, yena overcome. But there was a moment la beyadlaliswa khona nokunika, but bosobonga no man baya crack manje because ba relaxile boy2, but angeke udlalisa left center back ka right because izomkhahlela. Sibonile against Richards Bay with Ayabekingalo, because they force him to go inside. Basically, that's where they know they setting pressing traps, and then now he falls for them, but the ball counter attack. If it wasn't for Bruce Vuma, ngabe sakhishwa inyumbazana that game. But nibona kanjani? Do you think ukuthi he must go, or Kaizer Chiefs must fight to keep him? Because for a good price, angazivela zihambele uMakhadi. So asazi kubonakala sekuqoqa. Dango.